welcome back. Let's quickly review 4 charts where the things are. This is the chart of BA, first of all. BA, and we have these levels already plotted. This was the May low we projected. It is still hovering over there based on things we don't see at this point changing the vibrations. We already have enough structures in place which it will respect. If you want to have a bias, look at monthly charts and weekly charts and add some banks moving averages or the value phenomena we have discussed. So I think these levels are still pretty strong. Rally reflection points are here, and I think it is, if it loses momentum and gas, you can see here these are the very strong levels where you can start investing the way professionals do. Once it reaches a point and you want to be a long-term holder of these are the areas where you can buy in. How you want to place this tactically, you can always contact your professional advisor. Now moving on to AMD, the last video we sent out, this is the zone we have reached, market maker, and you see it went inside the zone. It's not really a point, it's really a zone. We immediately pointed it out and it went down quite a bit. If you got $15 out of it, I think, and we also remember talked about this contract tracker. So we are not changing anything at this point. We still have these very solid levels, and if it just really takes off on the downside, we are looking at 127. These are the levels of interest, 137, 127. If it really takes a dump where the buyer initiative momentum started, which is around 109.10 area. Tesla, we were here, we said we're not going to change anything, we don't see any reason. When it reached this 208 target, and we said you can take some partial profits, but we're not going to change the momentum it is traveling. It broke through this level, right? It was somewhere here and came back to retest it and held again, right? These are all tactical trading techniques. You're making the 30-hour moves up and down, you need to know what's going on. Double top here, and the support becomes resistance right here, and there we are. Earnings are coming, be careful of these levels, right? They're gonna stay, and this is what we are looking for. And how you want to tactically place the trades in these areas, you can think about it. Apple also, we have these projections already going on for quite a while. Not gonna do anything about it. I think we will just hold. We are holding at 244. It went to 238. That's fine. You can just keep holding for now, as the shift is going to take place. And it did rally from the points we have. It vibrates to these levels. These are laws of nature. All right. So watch out for these levels on the Apple, and on the bottom side we can project some things at the bottom as well, but let it get here, we'll track it once it gets here to do the retest. AMGN is another one. We have been tracking this from 23. Imagine that. 23, we have this structure placed in place in 23 right here, and we said market is going to be at these levels. And these are, again, see these 2 lines, parallel lines, they are zones. Always think in terms of zones, because the market maker have to come and collect the contracts, and you can see when they blow off right here. So from 2023 June, July, and it took till February to come here, and it went there. We already have all the videos beforehand. At the same time, we also have this mini reflection points, right here, the parallel lines, and then we also have support becomes a resistance. So now these lines are also plotted, right? Automatically done through this calculations what we do here. And you can see this is holding. After it broke up, it holds and holds and holds. So there are some laws of nature which are always at play. So now what we are going to do, we are at the top again, retesting the top part of the same zone. We're gonna readjust these frequencies and these frequency targets. So let me shuffle things around. We'll stick with the same tool. Alright, I just kept it pretty simple here, using two tools we have in the ecosystem. Right here, L3 price Tesla support resistance and multi-square bar placed from this momentum bar. Now we've gone to weekly chart to make life simpler. So what you should be doing, you will not be doing anything short until this is broken. We are right here, and then where are we going? Where are we going? All right, so as we leave this square, if the momentum continues, we're gonna be getting into these levels. All right, I'm gonna plot these lines. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. So there we are on the top side. Just see how market is going to go there. Vibrate, use your oscillators. So now this is a weekly chart. It may take a while to get there. And same thing at the bottom. Let's place those lines on the bottom as well. Now remember, we did something in 23, beginning and end phenomena, and it reacted. All these things happened. So frequencies, and based on the time frame, it does take some time for these guys to play out. Okay, and then you can also do this support becomes a resistance. Now you don't know the math behind all this, you don't have to worry about it. Again, these levels are of greater interest in the zone of frequencies. And then cycle is circle, and square is also a circle with some fractional changes. So there we are. So track this if you like, and I think that's all about these 4 things. We will create some more videos for the next set. Thank you.